In today's video, I will walk you through how to download Square transaction history. This process is done from the desktop version of your Square account, and once you're on the home screen, you'll start by going to the top left corner and clicking the hamburger menu. This is the icon with the three horizontal lines. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, look for the Order and Payments and click on Transactions. Once you're on the Transactions page, this is where you can download your historical transaction data. The first thing you need to do is choose the date range for the transactions you want to export. Click on the Date section, and you'll see several preset options like Today, Yesterday, Last Month, This Year, and Last Year. You can also enter a custom date range manually by clicking inside the date boxes and selecting your own start and end dates. As you adjust the dates, the transactions in the background will automatically update. You can also apply filters before downloading the file. Under Payment Methods, you can choose all payment methods or filter by card, cash, gift card, or other payment types. You can also filter by transaction type. For example, you can choose payments only or refunds only depending on what you need. Next to that, there's also a status filter where you can choose from options like all statuses, completed payments, partially paid, or awaiting capture. There are additional filters available on the page as well, and after setting everything the way you want, you'll see the transaction history displayed on the screen. To download the transaction history, go to the top right corner and click the Export button. A drop-down menu will appear with several export options. You can choose to export transactions only, item details, or an item summary. Select whichever export type you want, then click the Generate button next to it. Square will begin processing the export file. Depending on how many transactions are included, this may take a moment. Once the file is ready, you'll see a pop-up near the bottom of the screen with a blue download button. Click the Download button, and the CSV file will download to your computer. After the file opens, you'll see all of the transaction data organized into different columns and categories across the top of the spreadsheet. And that's how you download your Square transaction history. Thank you for watching.